How to apply for a business license. If you're ready to turn your entrepreneurial dreams into reality, obtaining a business license is a crucial step in the process. In this comprehensive guide, we'll walk you through the steps to apply for a business license, ensuring you have the necessary information to navigate the process smoothly and legally establish your business. Firstly, it's essential to determine the specific type of business license you need for your venture. The requirements for business licenses can vary widely depending on factors such as your location, industry, and business activities. Research your local regulations or consult with a legal advisor to ensure you're applying for the correct license. Once you've identified the type of license you need, gather all the necessary documents and information required for the application. This may include your personal identification, business name and structure, proof of ownership or lease of the business premises, and any relevant permits or certifications required for your industry. With your documents in hand, you can begin the application process. The procedures for applying for a business license vary depending on your location and the type of license you're seeking. Some licenses may be obtained through local government offices, while others may require you to apply directly to state agencies or online portals. When completing your application, ensure that all information provided is accurate and up to date. Pay close attention to any instructions or requirements provided by the licensing authority to avoid delays or rejection of your application. After submitting your application, be prepared to wait for processing. The duration can vary depending on the complexity of your application and the workload of the licensing authority. During this time, you may be contacted for additional information or required to undergo inspections or interviews as part of the approval process. Once your application is approved, you'll receive your business license, allowing you to legally operate your business. Make sure to display your license prominently at your place of business, as it may be required for inspections or audits. In summary, applying for a business license is a critical step in establishing your business and ensuring compliance with legal regulations. By following the steps outlined in this video, you'll be well prepared to navigate the application process and obtain your business license efficiently, allowing you to focus on building and growing your business with confidence.